दिल्लीच्यान काल परतून आयला सांगपाक खुश भोगता जेन्ना टीएमसी एक पवित्र उतर दिता ते उतर पाडटा. आमी सांगिल्लें की गोंयचे जे प्रश्न आहात, गोंयच्यो ज्यो अडचणी आहात, गोंयची जी पॉप्युलर एस्पिरेशन आहा ती आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत टीएमसी उतली म्हणून, बिकॉज दॅट इज द हायेस्ट टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इन द कंट्री. म्हाका खुश भोगता सांगपाक की जे गोंयचे प्रश्न आहले, जावं कोल पोल्युशन, जावं 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स, जावं डायवर्शन ऑफ महादे, जावं मायनिंग आणि मायनिंग अफेक्टेड पीपल्स प्रॉब्लेम्स, जावं destruction of heritage sites by this government, destruction of old Goa heritage site, जावं special category status for Goa. हे प्रश्न हांवें आमच्या पार्लमेंटाच्या राज्यसभेंत घेतले आनी जरी तरी हे प्रश्न सुटावे जातले, आज गोंयचे मुखार आनी गोंयकारां मुखार फक्त टीएमसी पक्ष हे प्रश्न सुटावे करपाक शकता. आमी सुरवात केल्ली आहा, हे मुखार आनीकूय आमी फुडें वतले. व्हडल्यांतलो व्हडलो प्रश्न म्हणजे बेकारी, होय प्रश्न आमी सुटावे करपाक प्रयत्न करतले आनी लोकां मुखार एक टेंजिबल सोल्युशन to the unemployment problem हाडले. आता काल पयर एक न्यूज आयटम आयलो, द ग्रेट बिट्रेयल ऑफ 2017, महाविश्वासघात. हो विश्वासघात गोंयचेर आनी गोंयकारांचेर कोणी गेलो? खबर आसतली 13 तारखेर मार्चाचे 2017 वर्साक जेन्ना गोंयकारांनी आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक 2017 इलेक्शनांत बीजेपीक हारायले. बीजेपीचे उणे उणे 28 सुमार आमदार आहले. बीजेपीचो जो कॅबिनेट आहलो, मुखेलमंत्री, मंत्री, कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हांगा सगळ्यांक घर धाडले. तर बीजेपी पक्ष परतून सत्तेर कोणे हाडलो हो प्रश्न येता. जेन्ना गोंयच्या लोकांक बीजेपी पक्षाचे म्हाका दिसता 13 वा 14 टायर जे आहाय ते पंक्चर केले. जेन्ना हे टायर पंक्चर केले, एक टायर परतून स्टेपनी म्हणून 13 टायर कोण दिले? काँग्रेस पक्ष आनीक गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्ष. आनी ह्या बीजेपी गाडयेक जेन्ना पंक्चर जाल्ली, एडिशनल स्टेपनी हाडून दिले आनी आयज पासून हो बीजेपी पक्ष गोंयांत सरकार चलयता. आज जे गोंयचे प्रश्न म्हणजे गोंय कोणी विकले फाटले 5-10 वर्सां. आमच्यो न्हंयो, नदी कोणी विकल्यो? आमचें उदक, महादेचें उदक कोण विकलें? आमची रानां कोण विकली, आमची झाडां कोण विकली, आमची जमीन कोण विकली, आमची माती म्हणजे मायनिंग कोण विकले. प्रश्न येता, आमच्या आमदारांक 13 आमदारांक कोण विकले आणि या 13 आमदारांचो विकून उद्योग आणि धंदो कोण गेलो. 13 तारखेर जेन्ना लोकांन बीजेपी पक्षाक हारायले तेन्ना हे कंत्रादोर जे आहले या कंत्रादोरांनी बीजेपी कडेन सिक्रेट पॅक केलो आणि या कंत्रादोरांनी व्हरोन 13 आमदार आणि तेच बरोबर गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी आणि एक लोकांक पवित्र उतर दिल्लें की आमी जिखून येयले जाल्यार आमी बीजेपीक सपोर्ट करचे ना. सो हो कोण कंत्रादोर जाणें गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी सांगिल्लें काँग्रेस पार्टी बरोबर तुमी वचनाकाय, तुमी बीजेपी सपोर्ट कराय. आता हाजे जबाब लोकां मुखार आहा. देखून म्हणटा हांव, दिस इज द ग्रेट बिट्रेयल. आनीक हो ग्रेट बिट्रेयल आयज गोंयांत जाता परतून. इट इज नाव रिपीटेड. It is now repeated. People should know that these people cannot give Goans a government which Goans deserve. The only party which can give Goans a good government is TMC. And देखून आमी आयज परतून लोकां मुखार सांगूंक सोदता की आज सरकार चलवता तो बीजेपीचो सरकार न्हू. आज सरकार चलवता तो काँग्रेस आणि बीजेपी सरकार. जरी तरी या सरकारान बीजेपीचे 13 आमदार आहले, आज काँग्रेसाचे 13 आमदार हितून गेल्ले आहा. दिस इज द काँग्रेस वाइन इन द बीजेपी बॉटल. इट इज द लाइक you are packaging the wine again and again and again. And now I am told BJP and Goa Forward are going to package it further so that they will sell this to the BJP. हांव लोकां तांय मागता की we have to fight. And it will be a fight for the self-respect of Goa. For the self-respect of Goans. It is a fight so that Goa can be protected once again. आणि जाणी विश्वासघात केला तांकां हे मुखार सरकार करपाचो व लोकां मुखार वचपाचो कसलोय तरी अधिकार ना. आणि हांव हें सांगूंक सोदता. You want to ask me any questions?
सर, अभी आपने बताया कि आपने गोवा के मुद्दों के ऊपर राज्यसभा में आवाज उठाया. और गोवा के मुद्दों के ऊपर आपने राज्यसभा में आवाज उठाया. सो एक्चुअली अभी बीजेपी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ली थी और डबल ट्रैकिंग का जो मुद्दा था वो जब ममता बनर्जी एज अ रेलवे मिनिस्टर थी वहाँ से वो उसको सैंक्शन हो गया था और आप इसी मुद्दे के ऊपर आवाज उठा रहे हो. क्या आप कैसे लग रहा है, क्या क्या व्हाट्स अबाउट इट?
I have raised in the Rajya Sabha the issue pertaining to coal. The successive governments, and especially the Congress government, have signed for the transportation of 13 million tons of coal. The successive governments have brought the 3 linear projects which I call 3 cardinal sins. That includes double tracking of railway lines from Marmagua to Karnataka. That includes expansion of national highway from Goa to Belgavi. That includes the Tamar power transmission project. Now the question is, who was the railway minister is not important. Who were ruling in Goa, who has accepted these 3 linear projects, which are all for the destruction of our environment, destruction of ecology, and destruction of our forest, and destruction of our trees. These projects are meant to transport coal from Goa to the hinterland.
But sir, आपको ऐसा नहीं?
Another thing, no, whoever was there at the center, I am not this, but who was in Goa, who has accepted this? It was successive governments of Congress as well as BJP. I have raised this in the assembly also. Who has sold Mahadev water? Is it not the Congress government and the BJP government? We worship our rivers. Mahadev is our mother. And you are robbing this water and diverting it to Karnataka. Because Mahadev represents 60% of the lifeline of the people of Goa. Transfer of Mahadev water to Malaprabha Basin is depriving Goans of its share of water to sustain its livelihoods. Now coming to mining. Who has stopped the mining in the state of Goa? Who is responsible for 2.5 lakh mining affected people who are suffering, who are on the roads? And who is responsible for the loot of 35,000 crores of rupees of mining loot? Can you reply to this? I used to learn in geography. There are different mountains, Sonsodod, Katlanchimaoli, this, that. Aaj toru tumi e tor dongor podoba gedalaku e dongor nai. E dongor huingale. E dongor amcha goincha je lok sarkaran dhalani winkle ante gelzale tuk China this reportle. Goincha dongor China. So who has sold गोंची माती कोणी विकली आणि हे पैसे 35,000 crores केन्ना परतून गोंयकारांक मेळटले? We are very earnest and we are very honest about it. We want to take these issues to its logical conclusion. We want to fight it at the national level in the parliament. We want to fight it at the local level. If you want these issues to be fought at the local level, you have to start today onwards. Now, who has destroyed, brutalized our UNESCO protected sites at Old Goa? Who are responsible for it? Who has destroyed our UNESCO protected sites at Molem Wildlife Sanctuary? Who are responsible? Those people who are responsible for this, they have no right to go back to the people and ask for their mandate. They have betrayed the cause of the people. They have, as I have said, they have sold Goa. They have sold the forest. They have sold whatever was near and dear to Goans. Yes.
Kuki Lonkarajan, union leader, he has said that you have not raised the issue of mining. If you had raised the issue of mining, I would have, he says, welcome you with a felicitation. So what do you want to say on this?
Because he is living in a very small world of minor-ness. You see, I have raised this matter in the assembly, and I don't think anybody has raised so vocally like me. I एक पाट गोंयच्या विधान सभेन सांगलोलें की गोंया व्हडली चोरी जाली म्हूण. येदी व्हडली चोरी गोंया केन्ना जावना म्हूण. गोंयांत 30,500 कोटी रुपयांची चोरी जाली म्हूण. आनी हें लुईजीन फलेर सांगना म्हूण. हें पब्लीक अकाउंट्स कमिटी चेअरमॅन जो आशिल्लो परिकार हाणें सांगलें म्हूण. हें शाह कमिशनान सांगिल्लें म्हूण. आणि या सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगिल्लें म्हूण. हांवें एक डॉक्युमेंट काडून गोंयच्या विधानसभेन दिलो. हांवें हेंय सांगिल्लें की आमगेले दोंगर आहले, आमगेले इतले सुंदर हें आहले, हे दोंगर नाय म्हणत हांव. हे दोंगर खंय गेले? हे दोंगर चायना गेले म्हणून. आनी आनीक सांगता तुका हांव, तेन्ना I was some time in Delhi. So when there was a problem, when there was agitation at Jantar Mantar, you go on the video, you will see my video, how I have attacked the BJP government of the day at that time and all those who were involved. So he must not be knowing. He was there. I had seen him at Jantar Mantar. But तांचे agenda दूसरे, आमचे agenda दूसरे. Our agenda is to fight for Goa and Goans. I am not asking anything. I am asking, when I am saying, I have read this 35,000 crores. It is not my invention. 35,000 crores are mentioned in all the reports. In the Public Accounts Committee report, which was given by the then leader of opposition, Mr. Parrikar, this 35,000 crores loot is mentioned by Shah Commission. And this 35,000 crores loot is mentioned by the Supreme Court. And the Goa government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court that they will recover this money. They have even submitted copies of the notices for the recovery. But has a single paisa been recovered? Or are you expecting any recovery from this government? Or you are expecting anything to be recovered with this Mahagathbandhan which people are talking today? Whether it is Congress or whether it is Goa Forward Party. You see, you are killing people today. What you are doing is you are poisoning people. And this is what is very, very important. As I have said, course kone adlo. There are 3 linear project kone adle. Madhei kone vikli. Mining kone band kele. Old Goa heritage site, who is desecrating? Mole Wildlife Sanctuary, who is desecrating? Who is poisoning Goa and Goans with formalin in fish? Aj lok amcho motta. People are poisoned with the formalin fish. And the scourge of cancer is killing Goans. Ami janna coal uloitat. We breathe coal, we eat coal, and we die with coal. Nobody is bothered. Nobody is bothered about the health. All we are bothered is to make coalitions so that we can go back to the people and fool the people as they have fooled for the last 10 years.
Luisan Bab, what's about the status of TMC and NCP alliance? किती possibilities असा TMC आणि NCP ची alliance जातल्याचे?
As far as the alliance, I don't know. But all I know, the TMC leader and the Nationalist Congress leaders are having a discussion. I told you on the first day when I resigned. When I resigned, I said, see, Congress has been disintegrated into 4 parties. Congress, TMC, led by Giri, YSR, led by YSR, and NCP, led by Sharad Pawar. As far as I am concerned, we know that TMC and YSR are already in talks and we are together at least for the 2024 elections. What is important is, if you want to face the BJP and the Modi juggernaut, the Congress family has to come together. And I am very happy you have asked that question. Out of the 4 Congresses, 3 Congresses are showing signs of coming together, and that is a good thing.
What's about the Goa, TMC and NCP?
I don't know because what will happen, but definitely we are in talks with everybody because we have got one agenda. Our agenda is to defeat BJP. Our agenda is not like Congress, to provide Stepney tires to the BJP and allow them to rule when the tires are punctured.
What do you feel about Sharad Pawar? As far as alliance is concerned, he is showing interest.
I read it today on your papers.
Okay, but since long it is going on talks with Mamta and Sharad, very long talks are going on, but nothing is concrete is happening. So
No, I think she met just 3 days back. I was in Delhi that day and she was in Bombay. You see, there is no magic wand. You have to work together to bring the Congress family together. And today, with the new developments, out of the 4 Congresses, 3 Congresses are coming together. That's great news, at least for me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.